Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to change your background color text in CapCut. Let's start now. First, open your CapCut app. Tap it new project and select your any video. Tap it add now. Tap it ratio and select your YouTube size. Tap here text and add text. Click here. Now type text. Select styles and select background. If you want to change the color, just select and customize it here. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel Fast Solution 24.